I got a bird in the furnace. I gotta put my gloves on and go chop him away. No, I think he's dead now. I hear him scratching around in there, but I'm going to get him. I already took off the pipe, as you can see. Now I gotta go down here and get the bird 3D. Okay. Got my trusty hanger. I gotta kind of pull him out. Got a lot of feathers down here. I got him in. I got him. Bird boo-boo. I got him in there. All right. I got my bird bag right here. Got my bird bag. Here goes. Yeah. Got him. Almost. By the feathers. Eek! Bird in the furnace, making scratchy noises. If you ever have this problem, this is one way you can do it. Bird in the bag. Well, got that out the way. Make sure you wear your gloves too. You don't want to catch the bird flu. Oh, shit!